In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to CC and BCC in Outlook. Let's make sure you're equipped with all the know-how to use these features effectively, giving your emails the professional touch they deserve. So let's dive right in and explore the steps involved. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your Outlook account. Start by heading over to the Outlook sign-in page. Here you'll see a button saying sign in. Go ahead and click that. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure you carefully type in your email address and password. This is crucial for accessing your emails and ensuring the security of your account. After you've entered your details, simply click Next. This will log you into your Outlook dashboard. Once you arrive at the main dashboard, you'll notice how the interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. You'll find everything you need to manage your emails right here. Now let's proceed to creating a new mail. Look towards the top left corner of your Outlook dashboard. Here, you'll find the option to create new mail. Select this to open a new email draft. This is where the magic happens and where CC and BCC come into play. As you compose your email, take a glance at the top right corner of this new email window. This is where you will discover the options for CC and BCC. These features are crucial for managing how your recipients interact with each other. Simply click on them to activate these fields. Now, it's important to understand the power of CC and BCC. CC stands for carbon copy, and it's used when you want to keep someone in the loop without requiring them to respond directly. It's perfect for keeping stakeholders informed. When you add someone to the BCC, which stands for blind carbon copy, it ensures that their email address is hidden from other recipients. This is excellent for maintaining privacy when sending emails to a large group where everyone doesn't necessarily need to see who else is receiving the email. At this point, you can proceed to fill in your chosen email addresses in the CC and BCC fields. Make sure to double check your entries to ensure they're correct. This attention to detail can prevent any miscommunication or sharing of sensitive information. Finally, you're ready to draft your email body and subject line. Populate all this information carefully. Once you're satisfied and have reviewed every detail, it's time to hit send. Your email will now be on its way with the CC and BCC doing their part in making the communication seamless and professional. There you have it, a simple guide to using CC and BCC in Outlook. With these tips, you'll manage your emails like a pro, ensuring that you communicate effectively while keeping privacy top of mind. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.